All right, shares of Lucid trading down more than 9% after reporting fourth quarter earnings. Let's take a deep dive into the company's latest financial report with Jaime Perez, RF Lafferty Co. Senior Research Analyst. Nice to see you, sir. So, needless to say, disappointing numbers. What jumps out to you?
Well, the deliveries were a little weak. They produced about 7,200 vehicles this year, but they delivered 4,400. So it's about 60% of the cars they produce, they deliver. So that's a little weak. And, they missed revenues by 16 million. So we can see a little bit of a change of mix from the high end to more modest cars because, Lucid is a high end luxury EV. But I'm not too concerned about this quarter. I'm really concerned about the production number for 2023, which is at between 10,000 and 14,000.
Yeah, Jaime, about that production number, what were you hoping to see? And in terms of the issues that they are having with delivering their vehicles,
Sure.
Certainly Lucid has been struggling with bottlenecks, quality control issues. Where does that stand from your checks?
Right. Well, last year they estimated about 20,000 vehicles, so they cut their production guidance last year. So this year it's a little bit significantly trimmed down. You expected in the 20,000 run rate, but I think what they're trying to do is maybe achieve a more doable number given supply constraints. So guidance between 10,000 and 14,000, it's pretty good. Not great like somewhere like Tesla, which is the benchmark, but for a startup EV producing within the last couple of quarters, it's pretty good. But we expect a little bit more.
That 23 number does not include the 100,000 cars that will be a part of that Saudi Arabia agreement.
Sure.
Where do you feel that public investment fund situation is headed? Are we taking that company private? I think they own 55, 60% right now. Where do you believe that's headed?
Well, I think Lucid is going to build out their whole plant and build out the brand. And I'm not sure whether Saudi Arabia fund is going to buy them outright, but we know that Saudi Arabia wants to divest away from fossil fuel and more into EVs. So this goes along with this strategy on expanding into the EV market. So I think the probability of expanding further is huge.
Yeah, Jaime, where do you think Lucid stacks up here in terms of competition? Obviously, the number of vehicles that they produce deliver a fraction of what some of its competitors are doing. How are they going to compete given that disadvantage that they're at? And then also the fact that they're offering their own price cuts, their own $7,500 credit for just a couple of vehicles.
Right. Remember, the Lucid cars are premium vehicles, so they start about 72,000, could head up to 150. So it's a different market from Tesla, where it's more consumer driven. This is more for the luxury buyers. So there's probably not a large EV buyer for the luxury market, but the company is trying to go to a more affordable range. So I think that's pretty much the strategy. Now, I think the downfall is we should hear a little bit more about their go-to-market strategy as far as advertising and getting the vehicle out to the public.
What's your biggest outstanding question for the call, and do you expect that your price target will remain?
Yeah, I think the price target will remain. Like I said, I want to see hear about a little bit more of their go-to-market strategy. They've been opening up studios, not really advertising. They want to get their cars out, sort of create an ambiance, and once the product is out, I think we should see a little bit of ramp up in demand. But also remember, they gave $7,500 tax credit for certain models, which should help out in the first quarter and with revenues. But let's see if that continues going forward.
All right, stock off just over 8% here in extended trading. Jaime Perez, thanks so much.